Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Cars of Canton, a great American family business in Georgia with simply outstanding customer reviews. If you're even thinking about a golf cart or an awesome utility vehicle, watch this story. Congratulations to the president, Gary Grimm, and the incredible team at Cars of Canton, which is in Metro Atlanta, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and an incredible selection of golf carts and more every single day. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the story of Cars of Canton. This is not your grandpa's golf cart dealership. The team at Cars of Canton can customize a golf cart with all kinds of fun and useful accessories in no time. They're a club car dealer, and Club Car is known for being a very high-quality brand. They have electric, gas, they have the new lithium battery carts, awesome 6-passenger lifted carts, utility vehicles of all kinds, both new and used, you name it. The team at Cars of Canton either has it on the lot or can get you one. The owner, Gary Grimm, is a great guy. Gary has owned 5 car dealerships in his life. Cars of Canton is his first golf cart dealership, and Gary launched it because he loves the joy these products bring to customers, especially families. And he knew the golf cart business was exploding all over America. Gary could not be more proud of his team, and these guys are really well known for going above and beyond. When we did this video in August of 2020 without telling anyone at Cars of Canton, they had just delivered a golf cart to a customer who lived in Florida. It was over an 8-hour drive for the delivery team, and the customer was thrilled because he got the cart at a great price. The cart was delivered without any glitches, just like the team at Cars of Canton said it would be. With coronavirus, so many people are buying golf carts these days. They're spending more time at home in their own neighborhoods, and golf carts are not only a lot of fun, they're so useful at home and in a lot of businesses. Cars of Canton has a nice showroom right on Waleska Street in Canton. They have a great website in which customers can build and order their custom carts. And all of that is wonderful. But at Best of the Best, we care most about our independent research and recent reviews from real clients. The reviews about Cars of Canton on every credible review site are fantastic, all of them 5 stars. Customers simply rave about the professionalism of the team, the incredible selection, the very fair pricing, the no-pressure sales, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Cars of Canton. These are good people who you can trust. Congratulations to everyone at Cars of Canton in Georgia on this national honor from Best to the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day, the right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.